Hey everyone, Pete Saz here. So the question is often why CellPower, why LumiVitae, what makes our incredible liquid light vessel unique and stand out from the rest. So I wanted to do this video to share my learnings, my experience, my knowledge, and what sets CellPower apart from the rest. So firstly, we need to understand that based on a lot of testing and measuring, most molecular hydrogen products or bottles don't actually produce any therapeutic molecular hydrogen. And in the odd case that they actually do, it's potentially poor quality, meaning it's not assimilated by the body, and therefore it doesn't produce and give those incredible health benefits that have been scientifically proven. So most bottles use cheap, nasty, low quality, even toxic materials, processes and parts, and this can potentially end up leaching heavy metals into the water that you would consume and drink. We need to understand something. When something is cheap, there's a reason generally why. And you can't have something with incredible, world's best, high quality materials and ingredients for a cheap price. It's just not possible. And there are many bottles out there that do claim to use, for example, DuPont PEM membrane, which is the world's best. However, a lot of bottle manufacturers lie and they use a cheap imitation. So you have to be very careful when you purchase other bottles or looking at purchasing other bottles. Now, what makes CellPower stand out? So firstly, like I said, we have the highest quality, even medical grade, non-toxic materials, parts, and processes. So that's firstly very important. Now, it actually produces molecular hydrogen. And even based on some testing and measuring, it even stays present for long periods of time, even 24 hours later. That's generally unheard of. In other cases, a lot of the time, even if there is molecular hydrogen present or created by other products, it dissipates and disappears very quickly. It has the most advanced, world's best, unique, only in CellPower, indestructible PEM membrane. So this has been specially designed and created by the amazing, incredible Nuno Nina, and it's only CellPower that has this PEM membrane that is better than the world's best, like I said, which is known to be DuPont. Also, it uses titanium coated with platinum anode and cathode. So these materials are known to be extremely high quality and don't leach heavy metals like other bottles use a cheap, nasty anode and cathodes. We also have dual chamber electrolysis. So this is very important because other cheap bottles, molecular hydrogen bottles, don't use dual chamber, and so when they do the electrolysis process, they produce chlorine, and that's then put into the water that you would drink and consume. And chlorine is not something you want to put in the body or drink or consume. It's been scientifically proven to be damaging to our health. Also, CellPower works with water up to 100 degrees. So you can use it with hot water to make tea, coffee, and other things. It's also water resistant, unlike any other bottle. And also, I don't know of any other bottle that has a wireless base charger. So you can just put the bottle on and you charge it wirelessly. Also, the base can be used and attached to other bigger bottles, for example, 500 ml, 1.5 ml, 750 ml, even 2 liter bottles, so you can produce larger amounts of molecular hydrogen rich water. Now, Also, CellPower is the most technologically advanced molecular hydrogen bottle, and it is based on nature's principles and laws. And so with our incredible CellPower bottle, it comprises of real magnets in the base, okay? And this is mimicking the magnetism and the Earth's natural magnetic field, which plays a vital role in shaping life and water. Also, in the lid, uses the power of wavelength frequencies mimicking the sun. And the sun is also obviously nurtures and sustains life. It's part of all life, all creation. Theories and research suggest that sunlight, wavelength frequencies may have effects on the structure of water, influencing the information of water molecules and clusters. And these clusters may have different properties from ordinary water, which could affect its higher absorption and interaction with the human body. And there's many actual research and studies out there of what happens and how you can imprint information onto water, and literally just often even by just speaking and saying things to the water. So there's actually endless things out there showing and proving that now. So to wrap it up, CellPower by LumiVitae isn't just another molecular hydrogen bottle or product. It is the highest quality and most advanced molecular hydrogen bottle and product on the market, based on the laws and principles of nature, mimicking basically a mini planet, producing potentially the world's best hydrating and therapeutic molecular hydrogen rich water. And this is, again, like I said, due to the combination of the magnetic field and the sun, which basically is mimicking a mini planet, and that's what produces this incredible therapeutic healing water. So when people ask how does it compare to this bottle or that bottle or other hydrogen products, well, to me, when we're even comparing it to the very few that actually do produce some molecular hydrogen, in my opinion, it's like comparing a donkey to a Ferrari or to a Lamborghini. So I hope this is helpful in trying to understand what sets CellPower above the rest, and I will be doing some more in-depth videos of the incredible CellPower bottle, and also testing, comparing, measuring to other brands and other bottles out there, but that will come soon.